Hello friends, myself Professor Khyati Gupta, working at Dr. Subhas Technical Campus, Faculty of Pharmacy, Junagadh. Today in this video lecture, we will see about biotransformation. Now, what is biotransformation? Biotransformation means any drug's chemical structure is altered, right? So, chemical alteration of drug into the body is called drug metabolism or biotransformation. Now, it is needed to convert non-polar or lipid soluble compound to lipid insoluble compound so that they are not reabsorbed in the renal tubules and are excreted. Because most drugs are lipid soluble drugs and our biological membranes are also made up of lipid, right? So these drugs are reabsorbed in the renal tubules and will not excrete. And if these drugs will not excrete out of the body, right, it will accumulate in body and will act as toxins, okay, that will harm to our body. Okay, now most hydrophilic drugs like streptomycin, right, it will little biotransformed and largely excreted unchanged from the body. Because it is hydrophilic, it will not reabsorb in our renal tubules that is made up of lipid, right? Now most mechanisms which metabolize drugs have developed to protect the body from the ingested toxins. Okay, and the primary site of drug metabolism is liver. This is the major site of drug metabolism, and others are minor, that are kidney, intestine, lungs and plasma. Okay, there is a classification of drug metabolism reaction. There are two type of drug metabolism reaction. First is non-synthetic or phase 1 reaction and second is synthetic or phase 2 reaction. Okay, there is a difference between phase 1 reaction and phase 2 reaction. If the drug molecule is small in structure, right, it will and it has not more lipid soluble like lipophilic functional group. Okay, it will passes through phase 1 reaction and now phase 1 metabolite is able to excrete. It will hydrophilic, right, and it is able to excrete from the body. But in phase 2 reactions, the drug that is macromolecule, right, it will passes through phase 1 reactions, but phase 1 metabolite is not water soluble. It is still lipid soluble compound. So it has to pass through phase 2 reactions. These phase 2 reactions are conjugation reactions like, okay, in that reaction our endogenous substance that are derived from carbohydrate or amino acid, it will make complex with this phase 1 metabolite of drug. Okay, and this complex is now able to excrete out from the body. Okay, so there is a difference between phase 1 reactions and phase 2 reactions. Now phase 1 reactions are oxidation, reduction, hydrolysis, cyclization and decyclization, whereas phase 2 reactions are conjugation, acetylation, methylation, ribonucleotide or ribonucleoside synthesis. Now phase 1 reaction, we all know about oxidation reactions, right? In oxidation reaction, we add oxygen molecule or negatively charged radical into the reaction or remove hydrogen or positively charged radical from the reaction. Okay. Now various oxidation reactions are hydroxylation, oxygenation at carbon, nitrogen or sulfur atom, nitrogen or oxygen dealkylation, oxidative deamination, etc. The drugs that passes through oxidation reactions are barbiturates, phenothiazines, imipramine, propranolol, ibuprofen, paracetamol, steroids, phenytoin, benzodiazepines, etc. Okay. Next is reduction reaction, which is totally opposite of oxidation reaction, in which we add hydrogen or positively charged radical into the reaction and we remove oxygen or negatively charged radical from the reaction. Okay, the drugs that possess functional groups like alcohols, aldehydes and quinones are reduced, and the drugs that primarily reduced are chloral hydrate, chloramphenicol, halothane or warfarin. Okay, next is hydrolysis reaction. which is a cleavage of drug molecule by taking up a molecule of water, right? The drugs that possess ester-like functional group, it will cleave a water molecule and will convert into acid and alcohol-like functional groups. Okay, and these functional groups are ready to excrete from the body. The enzyme that is used for this reaction is esterase enzyme. Similarly, amides and polypeptides are hydrolyzed by amidases and peptidases enzyme. Next is cyclization reaction, right? In which the name suggests we cyclize a drug structure. The drug that has open structure, straight line structure, right? If we cyclize it, it will be inactivate and will excrete from the body. Okay, so the example for this reaction is proguanyl, and decyclization, which is totally opposite to cyclization reaction, which is opening of ring structure of the cyclic drug molecule. For example, barbiturates and phenytoin. Okay, next is phase 2 reactions, in which first is conjugation. As we talked previously, these involve conjugation of drug or its phase 1 metabolite with an endogenous substrate, usually derived from carbohydrate or amino acid, to form a polar highly ionized organic acid, which is easily excreted in urine or bile. Okay. Now, conjugation reactions have high energy requirement because it make a complex, it requires energy. This reaction involve glucuronide conjugation, sulfate conjugation, glycine conjugation, glutathione conjugation, etc. Next is acetylation reaction. This is also a conjugation type reaction, but the compounds having amino or hydrogen residues are conjugated with the help of acetyl coenzyme A. Therefore, this reaction is acetylation reaction. The drugs that passes through this reaction is sulfonamides or isoniazid, dapsone, hydralazine, etc. Okay. Now, methylation reaction. The amines and phenols can be methylated by methyl transferase enzyme. Okay, methionine and cysteine like amino acid that acting as methyl donors, and the drugs that metabolized by methylation reaction are adrenaline, histamine, nicotinic acid, methyl dopa, captopril, and mercaptopurine. Okay. Now, last phase 2 reaction is ribonucleoside or nucleotide synthesis. This pathway is important for the activation of many purine and pyrimidine antimetabolites that are used in cancer chemotherapy like mercaptopurine. Okay, so this is all about drug metabolism, phase 1 reactions and phase 2 reactions. Friends, this is important point for your exam point of view if you are preparing for exams. Okay, thank you.